The Vanua and the village elders, respected Talatala, our trainers, key government stakeholders, my ministry staff, youth participants, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bulavinaka and a very good morning to you all. It is with pleasure that I join you all today to mark another milestone achievement, and that is the empowerment training on climate change, adaptation, and mitigation. At the outset, I wish to thank the Vanua and the village elders for a Yangona welcome ceremony. Vinaka. I would also like to acknowledge our trainers for this program. At this juncture, I would also like to acknowledge our key partners for this program. The Ministry of Itoki, Ra Provincial Office, Ministry of Fisheries, Ministry of Forest, Ministry of Health and Medical Services, Ministry of Agriculture, and the Fiji National Sports Commission. I thank you all for your invaluable contribution to the training, which will benefit many of our youths here. Ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, climate change is a complex global problem that is interlinked with many issues. To support the ongoing development of young people, this empowerment training focus on empowering the youth participants as an effort to improve the capacity of people in addressing the environmental and development issues related to climate change. This morning I'm pleased to announce that next week my ministry, in collaboration with UNICEF, have organized a 3-day National Youth Climate Action Summit. This first ever summit will give opportunities to 200 men and women to contribute and formulate action plans that will assist them to deal with the effects of climate change in their own communities, and also an opportunity to discuss the draft Climate Change Bill 2021. Ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, youths are identified as one of the 9 major groups of the civil society with the right and responsibility to participate in sustainable development. Youth participation promotes active citizenship and the empowerment of future generation to engage in environmental governance, which also includes the climate change governance. I'm also pleased to note that a total of 60 youths from the registered youth clubs in Ba, Tavua, and Ra have participated in this empowerment training on climate change, adaptation, and mitigation. You all have been trained and empowered now to take action against climate change and become agents of change in your own communities. Thank you once again for your achievement, and we hope this will set a precedent for other young people. Please spread the word and encourage your fellow colleagues to join our programs as well, to have a purpose-driven life. I'm also told that after this closing ceremony, you will have a mangrove planting exercise, and later in the afternoon, the event will round off with the sports program. So congratulations to all of you, and hope that the skills learned during the training will definitely assist you in your future endeavors. Wish you all the best, and I sincerely wish you a good health. Vinaka, and thank you.
Maika Ratu. Followed by Senimili Vua. Merseni Ratu. Followed by Menani Sakiki.